So today's video is a bedroom makeover that is actually quite old. I did this in 2019 for my last college bedroom in my last college apartment senior year, and I thought I would share it here on MM's home. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do makeovers, cleaning videos, and all around home tips. So here's what the room looked like before I started doing the makeover. I started bringing things into the room like this bed. I ended up getting this bed secondhand from another college student. I feel like that's a normal thing that most college students do to save money. You end up buying stuff off of other people, or buying stuff from Facebook Marketplace, or Letgo, or there's just so many apps that you can use to find cheaper things that people are still good, but people are trying to get rid of. And I definitely recommend looking into all of that to find affordable furniture. At this time, I was still a broke college student, so this was very, very needed. So this bed is originally from IKEA. I think it's the IKEA, I forget what line it is, but it's originally from IKEA, but I got it for way cheaper than it actually is, which is amazing. So as you can see, my sister helped me put the room together on the first day, bringing in the furniture. I also got this dresser for way cheaper as well from another college student, and I put it on the side of the wall on that side. Then it was time to start putting together some of the extra things and extra furniture around the room. So I got this lamp from Walmart. I think it looked really great there. And then this is actually when I bought this mirror. I also got this from Walmart. I've had this for a while now, and it's one of my favorite purchases that I've ever made. So as you can see, I had that green pillow previously, and that just didn't fit into the concept and the colors that I wanted to have in this room. So I just got that pineapple pillowcase and I put that green pillow into it, and it worked out perfectly. So now I'm putting stuff up on the walls. I actually put up these 3 photographs that I took on my phone, and then I had them blown up into canvas prints, and they look like paintings, but they are not paintings, and I absolutely love them. And something else that I did was get these faux plants from Target, and I also got some gold spray paint and kind of created some designs with on the concrete bare flower pots, and they came out really nicely. And then I also got this jewelry organizer from H&M where I put all my jewelry, and that's where I was going to be putting all my jewelry daily on my bedside table. I had a little bookshelf on the bed, which was perfect, so I was able to put my books, my Bible, my journals, stuff like that into that place. So that was absolutely perfect for me to store all the books that I have. Then I also got some fake flowers from Amazon. I honestly just look on Amazon and find super simple decor pieces and kind of DIY stuff. And then I got this mason jar, and I basically just put the flowers into the mason jar, and that's just one of the decor items that I had. Then I also went to a thrift store and just looked around for things, and I got some candelabras and some little ornaments that I could put on the table. I believe the rhino is actually from Home Goods. Then of course I framed some photos of me and my sister, my parents, and put it on top of my dresser. That was actually the very first plant that I ever owned, that snake plant. I got it on Etsy, and they delivered it beautifully. I absolutely love that. I had to let it go, but I miss that plant. My favorite plant, my very first plant. So I put this basket on my bed top because I wanted somewhere that I could throw my keys and my purse in when I walked into my room, and so that worked out very perfectly. I got this furry little carpet and put it under the mirror, and the plant that I put right next to the mirror. I absolutely love how that looked. I honestly ended up killing that plant, unfortunately, because I left it for about 2 months and I completely forgot that I had to ask someone to water it. But it ended up dying, unfortunately. But you know, beginner plant parents, we always make those mistakes, and I have learned from them. Then I got these pineapple lights and put them around the mirror. I actually love the effect that it creates when they're on, which you will see very soon. So some other little DIYs that I did around the room was I got this like hanging basket from Walmart, and also these faux greenery. I was also trying to add some green accents in places that I just didn't want to have real plants, so I used faux plants, and I just cut them with my wire cutters and arranged them into these baskets, and then hung them on top of or above the mirror. I absolutely love how that looks there. I think it added a beautiful like green accent to that area. Then I got this love sign from Target, I believe, and I just put that over my table. I also had a calendar over my desk as well, and I actually covered my desk up with a marble contact paper because originally it was green, and so I used some marble contact paper and covered up the desk so it had a better, it fit into my room better and it looked nicer. Then these book and desk organizers, I got them from Amazon as well. Everything's going to be linked in the description box if you guys want to check anything. These are all things that I got from mostly Amazon. And then at the time I went to Lehigh, actually just graduated, and so I just had a Lehigh flag there reminding me of my alma mater, I guess.
It's hard to get to, but...
And this was the final result of the bedroom. I absolutely loved how it looked. I lived here for a year and it was amazing. I have currently moved out, and as you guys can see, I'm currently in the process of making over my current apartment, and make sure to subscribe to see more of those makeovers coming very soon. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed, everyone who has watched my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.
You can do it.